Hi everyone, how's it going? So today I will be, this is our gift wrapping center right now, and so we're going to move all of this out and install the IKEA pegboard system, um, which you will see shortly. So we have all these gift bags and things that just need to be organized. So over here is the pegboard system from IKEA. And we have a few accessories to hang up on there, as you can see. And yeah, there we go. So I'm just gonna, hello, hi. So we'll just be moving all of these out of the way. Make room for the new system. Here I am unwrapping the pegboards. And because we don't have drywall, I'm going to use these wooden dowels to hang the metal brackets on. As you'll see in a minute, there's the metal brackets. Yeah, you kind of need scissors to take off the plastic. They're on there with tape and they're really hard to get off. There we go. So I'll just lay this down on the wooden dowel and mark each one in place where it's going to go. Here I am marking in place where the metal bracket will sit on the wooden dowel. Make it easier once the wooden dowel's up on the wall. Here I am using the works drill to drill in the metal bar there, make sure it's level and looks good. And we'll set up the second one. I have 4 pegboards all together. So this is the second one. It's really easy to install. Just drill it into place. Here we go, first 2 are up, looking good, nice and tight together. So now we'll do the other 2 on the bottom. Same idea, I've got the wooden dowel that goes across the 2x4s, and then I put the bars, the metal bars, on the wooden dowel. Screw those into place. The great thing about these metal bars is that they're adjustable. So once you have the panel up, you can completely adjust them so that the seams are nice and tight, so there's no gaps in between the pegboards. Just drill those goes into place. Here we go. Alright, looking good. Almost there. There we go. Just make the seam nice and snug. And then tighten it up. Here it is. All 4 pegboards on the wall. Here we go, hanging the accessories. And there it is. Looks real nice. Holds a lot. So come in a little closer. You got your gift wrapping bags, some ribbon, scissors and tape. Looks real nice. Come in a little closer. Get a good idea what the hooks are like. Holds some gift bags there, some containers, and a shelf, scissors and tape, some scissors there, some clips to hold paper or ribbons or anything you want, and there's rolls for ribbon there, and some longer hooks for bags. Get a good idea of how the hooks look on the pegboard there. And we have some more storage here. Looks like we have some tags, some paper there, some boxes, a few more boxes, and some ribbon, more ribbon there. Looks like we got some wire, and we have a bow maker for making Christmas bows. It's great. And on the top we have some more bows here. So that's it. That is the IKEA pegboard system. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Let me know what you thought.